What's up guys, Bodie Davison back with another video for you. Today's video, we're going to dive into how to make YouTube thumbnails by removing the background of images. So how to remove those background images so that you can create them cool thumbnails. You'll see these thumbnails everywhere where it's just the person in the front and then the other parts behind. So how do you remove your original background from your photo? I'm going to show you how to do that. And also something else we're going to dive into is how do you get that outline? So this is a very common thing, and I've got a couple of channels pulled up and I'll show you here. See this outline of the white around there? How do you create that? So that's a very common thing with YouTube thumbnails these days. So if we just go have a look at like VidIQ. VidIQ is a very popular channel and very good for YouTube growth. They've got some very good videos, and they're actually a handy sort of app as well. Or yeah, I guess you would call it an app for YouTube. Anyway, it helps you with finding out different information for searching videos. We can go into that another time. One thing they're very good at is their YouTube thumbnails, and as you can see, they really pop out here, and they've got that white outline. This is a very thin white outline, and that's something that I need to work on. And as you can see, it really stands out, really stands out. So thumbnails are very important for getting people to click on videos. My thumbnails always need more work, so it's something I'm constantly learning more about. And the reason you're probably watching this video is because you probably found the thumbnail enticing. It actually helps with your click-through rate. So you could have the best video in the world, but if people aren't clicking on it because it doesn't look interesting, then it's not really going to get you any views. So another channel that I have pulled up here is Dan Da Silva, who's a guy that gets into Shopify and all that sort of stuff. And as you can see, he really works this white outline as well. So down here, white outline, background removed. So this is exactly what I'm going to show you, something that I've found and something that will teach you guys. Obviously, you can do it on Photoshop. I don't have Photoshop though, so how do you do it for free? So I found this website which is called remove.bg, I think brings it up. So it's a background remover and it's free, which is the most important thing. This is what I wanted to show you. So let's go click on this. Then you just go upload image. You don't even have to sign up for anything, which is cool. And then we'll find this image that I had down here. So as you can see, it's got a background there. And we'll choose that and let it upload. So it has a background. I like the whole pointing and I want to be able to make that pop out, and then it automatically does it for you. So this is what it looks like, and it automatically pulls the background out for me like that. So how cool is that? It's easy as you can go edit, and then this is one of the other cool features. You can even chuck in any sort of background that you see here that you want to put in. So they give you the option of doing this. So there's all these different backgrounds and stuff on here, like that one with the city in the background. So as you can see, this would be a fun thing just to play with. But for someone like me that's getting into YouTube and trying to make good thumbnails, this is actually really handy. So I'm sure a lot of you that are watching this are watching for that reason, to make your thumbnails better. And yeah, it's just really cool, and it's free. So when we pop back, if I save it like this, then this background will be removed and it'll be completely blank. And I've actually done that for a recent thumbnail, so I'll just show you. So if we just go over here, you can see that I created this thumbnail about how to add a shop now button on Facebook. And then I've created this on Canva, by the way. I use Canva for editing thumbnails. And then I've created the white outline. So I'll just show you. This is the picture. Now, this is on a Mac. So Macs are obviously different from other computers and devices. So with a Mac though, you can just click this up here. See this one here? And then you can actually go over here. And now I can start drawing on it. So all I did with this, it wasn't perfect. I could obviously do it way more perfect, but was draw around the outside, just like that. And that's exactly how I done this white part here to create it. And then you can actually make that thinner. So I could make it thinner and make it look more like this one. Where's Dan's gone? So these are a lot thinner and a lot more, obviously put more effort into it. But the point being, you can see how much this makes this thumbnail pop out. It's so much better. So this is just one image here, and then that's behind. So then I've got it down the bottom here, and it makes the makes me pop out heaps more. You could just have the background removed and just have this original part there, just like this, and that's also good because you might have a background of what I have there with the where am I going? With the blue background, and just want to pop out in front, or like pop out in front of this. I would just need to position that forward. You could have it like that, so you could have a sort of background right behind it. You could have it behind the letters or in front of the letters. So yeah, there's a lot of things you can do. So I just wanted to show you that because a lot of people don't know how to use Photoshop or don't have Photoshop. So this is very handy because it's a free one. And like I showed you before, you can also add these other ones in there. Not that you really need to. You can also blur the background and do other things like that. But yeah, I just thought it was really handy and wanted to show you guys exactly how it works. Now you can go out there and create your own thumbnails, and you'll see with my thumbnails, now that I've found this and figured it out a bit better, I will definitely be stepping up my thumbnail game and trying to make some better content and better videos for you guys. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope that's handy for you. Please give it a like if it is, or comment below if you need any help with any of that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.